trouble.
Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at the king of the market, Bitcoin. Bitcoin currently trades above $26,000. The last 1 week has been brutal to the cryptocurrency market, but Bitcoin has been holding its own. Bitcoin is actually up 1.3% over the last 1 week. The last 1 month is just down 2.9%. Deep in the crypto bear market, Bitcoin is a sign of stability. In this video, we're taking a look at the Bitcoin US dollar price chart on the daily time frame. Bitcoin's 200-day moving average sits at the $23,000 level. Are we going to see Bitcoin dump towards that level, or are we going to start pumping to higher prices over the next few weeks? We'll take a look at Bitcoin market cap, which sits over $500 billion. Can we rally towards that $770 billion level we have been looking at over the last few weeks? Bitcoin dominance in the market is increasing, almost getting to the 50% region. Will Bitcoin dominance continue pumping to higher prices? Sentiment in the market is in fear. Are we going to see Bitcoin respond to the fear, or we're going to see Bitcoin continue pumping to higher prices? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Over the last 7 days, the SEC sued Binance and Coinbase, two biggest exchanges in the cryptocurrency market, which led to huge sell-off in the altcoin market. A lot of people turned to Bitcoin. Guys, when people are scared, they run towards safety, and safety for us in the cryptocurrency market is Bitcoin and is Ethereum. And last week, we saw a lot of people running into Bitcoin. Bitcoin held its own after all the uncertainty in the market. Bitcoin came back to touch that $25,000 level we have been talking about for quite a while on this channel. That $25,000 level has been pretty important for Bitcoin in this bear market. In May, we saw a huge jump to gobbling time in the altcoin market. Guess where we found support? We found support around that $25,000 level. We had a bounce to the upside. That bounce to the upside saw us pumping by around 24%, but that was not enough. We still had so much more dump to go to gobbling town because we still saw Bitcoin getting to as low as that $15,000 level. But Bitcoin went to $25,000 in August, even though we got rejected at that level. We started 2023 on a very bright note. We saw Bitcoin going from $15,500, rallying to as high as $25,000. And Bitcoin came back, get rejected at that $25,000 level yet again. We had to come back to the 200-day moving average before we finally pump above the $25,000 level. Rallying up by 56%, we saw Bitcoin getting to as high as $31,000. But since April, Bitcoin has been slowly grinding to gobbling town. Since April, Bitcoin has gone from $31,000, even getting to as low as $25,300. But Bitcoin found support at that $25,000 level. I would have said Bitcoin was going to its 200-day moving average, which sits at the $23,600 level. But that $25,000 level is proving very, very important for Bitcoin, and Bitcoin found support at that level. So if Bitcoin is pumping to higher prices over the next few days, how high should we expect Bitcoin to go? For that, we'll use our Fibonacci retracement tool. From the top that came in for Bitcoin in November of 2021 to the bottom where we have seen Bitcoin get to in this bear market, around the $15,500 region. The next level I expect Bitcoin to pump to in the next few weeks will be that $35,000 region. From where we're currently trading right now, for Bitcoin to rally towards $35,000, that will see Bitcoin pumping by around 36% to the upside. Knowing how volatile Bitcoin can be, that pump can actually happen in a 7-day period. Best case scenario for Bitcoin, if we rally above that $5,000 level, we might see Bitcoin get to as high as $42,000. I'll not be placing my bets that Bitcoin will head to $46,000 before the end of the year. We have to take it one step at a time. If we take a look at Bitcoin's market cap in the market, Bitcoin's market cap sits around the $506 billion level. At some point in time in this bear market, we saw Bitcoin's market cap going for as low as $300 billion. So Bitcoin has made progress since the turn of the year. Bitcoin market cap has gone from the $302 billion level, even getting to as high as $606 billion in 2023. So Bitcoin has pumped 100% from the bottom. Right now, it looks as if we're consolidating, getting ready for the next time we see Bitcoin pumping to higher prices. Another indicator that has been giving us signals where Bitcoin might be heading to over the next few weeks is Bitcoin dominance. Now, Bitcoin dominance in the market tells us the strength of Bitcoin versus the whole market. If Bitcoin dominance is increasing, Bitcoin is performing better than the rest of the market, or Bitcoin is not dumping as the rest of the market, just like we saw over the last 7 days. Bitcoin dominance at the highest we have seen it since May of 2021. So is the bear market over? Are we going to see other altcoins suffer over the next 1 month because Bitcoin dominance is going higher? Because guys, if Bitcoin dominance continue going higher, we'll see the altcoin market suffering. But on the long haul, Bitcoin dominance will go higher so that it can pump back to the altcoin market. All the wonderful alt season we have seen in the cryptocurrency market has been because Bitcoin's dominance pumped to higher prices and then eventually dumped to gobbling town. So will this time be different? If you want to get some Bitcoin for yourself deep in the bear market, you can get it on your favorite crypto exchange: Binance, Coinbase, Qcoin, Kraken, Bitstamp, Bitfinex, anywhere you get your popular altcoins. Bitcoin fully diluted market cap sits around $547 billion, and over 4 million people have Bitcoin on their watch list on Coin Market Cap. Sentiment in the market is fair. We've seen neutral sentiment in the market over the last few weeks, but after the dump we had last week, we're seeing fear slowly return to the cryptocurrency market. We have not seen extreme greed in 2023, with Bitcoin pumping to 33k or 35k give us that extreme greed sentiment that we have been waiting for since 2021. The crypto market has not experienced extreme greed. When are we going to see extreme greed return to the market? Hopefully soon. But right now, we are in Bitcoin season. That's what the altcoin season index is telling us. Bitcoin has been holding very, very strong since August of 2022. That was the last time we saw altcoin season. When are we going to see the next altcoin season? It all depends on Bitcoin. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Do you see Bitcoin continue pumping to higher prices, maybe even getting to that $35,000 level before we end the month of June? Or do you think we're dumping to gobbling town? There's a lot of fear in the markets. People are predicting Bitcoin going below $25,000, maybe even dropping to as low as $22,000. Where do you see Bitcoin heading to in the coming days and in the coming weeks? Do you see Bitcoin dominance continue pumping to higher prices? And what impact do you think that will have for the altcoin market? Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember guys, invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.